Each prisoner get one tissue that we serve every month. If you is not a man, we will get visit and you have to depend on the prisoner entitlement.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, run away train.
What one again, Unstoppable family? Now people most of them might see this in a movie. Our common sense would probably tell you that prison life is not a joke thing. Well, brother, yeah, right now what me are gonna make you take a listen to, I share it firsthand. Because the man I make you understand say, yo, himself end up in a GP. And GP prison life is not one where him want anybody to experience. Now the reason why the brother share this, the man say, yo, him want Uno to share it out as well so that it can reach to other youths out there so that them not end up in a GP or any prison as a matter of fact. Because the things where you face in a prison, him not want it for nobody. People, make we jump in and take a listen to what the brother here say. But before that, if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit that subscribe button and subscribe to Unstoppable TV, please click the subscribe button now and turn on all notifications. So once you upload more videos like these, you will definitely get notified. Come we go hear what the brother have to say.
Alright, the fans them ask me to explain how inside, what inside is like, so I'm going to explain what inside a GP is like. Alright, first thing, if you there prison and nobody outside no care for you, not get no visit, nor them thing there, you get whole heap of disrespect because man say, ah, waste man, you out the road and you not do nothing. Alright. Secondly, the bathroom where you bathe in there so green and morass then there, so at all time you can't go in the barefoot, you have to wear slippers. If you go in the barefoot, your grounds. The toilet where you do the pan, you can't sit down on it like something at your house, You have to always have on your slippers when you go to the toilet and your slippers stoop down on the toilet. Your foot are filled up on the toilet, but your slippers are touch it. You can't make your foot touch it, or it's a ground, so you can't go locate back with no man. Alright. In a GP, you have big man and you have boy. You have Boys Town, one place named Boys Town where if you have fish or you do certain things on the road when you come in and go over Boys Town. But you can do a prison and become a fish. Like you dead there and be straight and man come in or people who know you from out the road tell man things that you do and you end up go Boys Town. Jane? Alright, in a prison you don't know you can have a hot plate on your pot, you can cook for yourself. You see me? You can buy things at a tuck shop, same way that at the wall of them tuck shop, you have kitchen where you can go buy food. Yeah, kitchen where you can buy food and them things there and cook, you see me? Alright, you have a thing with name water. Them can come search and take away things them. You see me? Them can search. See one there? You can come search and take away your phone. You can have phone in a prison and them things they still know, but you have to hide it. You see me? We have phone and make a call and them things, but hear me I say, water search and find a phone. If you not declare it, and take away all your things them like your pot, your TV and them things, they take away your light. You see me? You don't know in a prison again. It's a wicked place, cause watch you now. Man in there have knife, man have jam and them things they protect themselves. So and a man catch up, you have to serious enough to jump out to defend himself. If him plan for war sometime, a man not really plan for war, just look at cussing and things start cover back, you see me? You don't know, as I tell you, on one nice place, you have good things in the same way as well. You can recreate yourself, recreation, you have school, you have music class, you have library, you have all the other things in there, but you don't know, me now can explain everything going about. Me only can make you know what it is like being there, cause water will lick out your teeth, bust out your head.
Part 2 of my story in prison
Enough
GP.
time me over there in there. I just go on a part 2, cause now I call field. Enough time me over there in there and see you would come in, righteous, conscious, and by then the couple months and thing, him chip lick, him get mad. Crazy, him have to go medic every day. Next thing I see him a walk stiff, cause them give him medicate and them thing there, you see me? To try to contain him and them thing there. But as when I tell you, say, oh, it all matter when you're in them place there, you get visit, I get nobody not care for you. Nobody in there not go care for you neither, cause you don't know you have to have a hygiene stuff like a roll on, they look at toothpaste. They don't know they look at body spray. They need to look at marina, they look at underpants. Because you don't know money in this to get all them Nike, them Crocs and them things. So you want to look like somebody to one thing, you see me? The next thing now, you have a thing on them entitlement where the government issue every month. Every month, each prisoner get 1 tissue, 1 bar soap, like half chubby bottle, half Pepsi bottle of bleach, half Pepsi bottle of disinfectant, and half Pepsi bottle of liquid soap. That have to serve every the month. If you is not a man where I get visit and you have to depend on the prisoner entitlement. That's what you have to get. No, 3 meals a day. And to me, none of them no make one kind of the morning. When I wake up and slap up like beard, wash out a piece jug and them things, they get a pig bread. That is a bread like a cornbread. And it's tough, because it bake at the prison itself. And it come out of the bag and the breeze touch it, it get tough. And then get Tekli tea. You see the Tekli tea, if you drink it, the skin start scratch you. So you really have to prepare your own breakfast. You see me? Lunchtime now, them can give you whether chicken back or liver, kidney, or chicken too, chicken foot, and them things there, you see me? But I tell you, them not clean up none of them meat there. Kidney chop up same way, chicken back are the same thing with the red in there, and them things there, because you don't know a copper cook it. And copper poison, so me and you know say you are slow poison, you see me? So all of them things there together. Then with the chicken back or the meat kind, you can get rice, or you can get rice and flour together, cook together, rice and flour, or you can get rice. You see me, in the evening now for your last diet, then can bring porridge, or then can bring rice and callaloo, or rice and cabbage. You see me? Callaloo and cabbage cut up with the worm and them thing, the callaloo in a strip that cut up tough when you buy
Part 3 of my
next
story
thing,
in
you
GP
can
prison
learn
share.
you
Don't
can learn a
just view
prison.
online.
Alright, this is a part 3. You can learn a prison and go to jail, like if you fight or stab up an ex-prisoner and then think they go to jail. And if you kill a man, you don't know a life in a prison that and then try and you're guilty, you see me? Yeah. And if you get old with concubine or thing like that, like knife and them thing, the days go on your sentence. Same thing like if you stab a man, you can get more days on your sentence. And them thing there, you see me? Yeah, so after me I say no, they don't know. They just have to just know, say, yo, when if you even end up in a situation like that, they just have to just try for your best behavior. Try for yo, do the best that you can do. Like, take part in a more conscious part of the things them are there in the life. You see me like building shop and welding shop, you don't know, school there and the whole heap of other things that you can learn, other things. You have church in the same way, you have a place in a brickyard where you can go plant things like pepper and tomato and them things, and then you can bring it back in the prison and sell it to other prisoner who want it for buy, because you don't know. You have man of their prison still where sell weed and them things and take care of them daughter, them with them left a road and them youth where go to school. And you have man who just send for money a prison for hype and squander and build gang. You see me, I tell you straight. Well, you have water, then they wear good water, you have water with body, you have water with not carry no concubine, but you may carry money for you, you have water with charge you $5 to carry a pound of weed, them the water charge you $2 to carry a pound. You have water with carry things here and buy a even him send him next water friend feet and then them sell it back to a next prisoner in the prison and make a money off of you and laugh. So you have to send back to your next on the road. So the cycle go, because you want to keep up to date to walk on out the road. So you want to have a bird you can call. You don't know when a man comes to boom and beg a phone card them time they out the road from him family, he beg it to sell it back to either water or an ex-prisoner. Then buy a phone card for $100, a man can get some phone card, him can sell it and buy some food to eat or buy weed or whatever he want. So the thing set, and on a better roads or somewhere to say, yo, me a both say, oh, me go, but they don't know, me go through it and people know, and people up on my page and them ask me to say a story, so they don't know me there and I make the people them know. So the people them just share it, that's other people can see it, because If you want to make the message I reach out, you can just watch it alone and like it, or if share it. Make other people see it and say, oh, you care about what me I try to say.
Well, alright, there you have it in Unstoppable family. People, may I tell you no. Me personally no have no experience a GP prison and me no want to experience it none at all. Me love my freedom too much. Me love road too much. Now one thing what me always say is that criminals no fear of prison. Criminals is like them do things to go back in a prison once them get the experience. Or you have some man where I say, yo, more want the prison experience, so that's why me I do what me I do. But me I go tell you the truth, people. As me say, me no want the experience. Me rather for walk free, roam free as me feel like outer road. What about you? Who no want the prison experience? Talk to me down below in the comment section. Make me hear what you have to say. Or have you ever had that experience as a matter of fact? Would I love to hear from you down in the comment section. Zine, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time and you have not yet hit that subscribe button, please consider hitting the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. So once you upload a video, you will get notified. And also, if you not follow me yet on Instagram, please go on over to my IG at Unstoppable TV and give me a follow over there as well. Zine, no matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I'm unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.